2 days ago, working with Midjourney, I noticed that Midjourney had embedded their core functionalities into their version 6. Allow me to guide you through transforming this into this. Impressive, isn't it? This latest update has revived some beloved features we've all longed for. This includes the art of inpainting, also known as vary region, the ability to zoom out by 2x, 1.5x, or to a custom scale with updating prompt, alongside the introduction of the panning feature, operable in every conceivable direction to convert your images from closer view to a wider angle shot. Plus, stick around for an unveiling of an additional new feature. It's something you won't want to miss. Take, for instance, this Batman vs. Superman oil painting. All of the results seem to be suitable. I will go with third option. First off, I'll cover the significance of the pan feature and begin by panning downwards. The difference between the updated version and the older is that panning down might inadvertently introduce new elements to the canvas, but now it intelligently extends the existing scene downwards, maintaining the original context. I have chosen number 4 to upscale. Moreover, the freedom to pan is limitless, whereas previously panning was restricted to similar directions, either horizontally or vertically. The selection of the panning left feature has created some exciting iterations. All options seemed viable, but number 3 caught my eye. Next, I complete the landscape orientation by panning rightward. The transformation is thrilling, starting from a close-up of the art to now having a selection of expanded scenes. Number 1 was appealing, but number 2 with its perfection in Superman costume ultimately won me. Witnessing such a transition from this to this is truly mesmerizing. Similarly, I did all of the steps with this image and saw how amazingly it converted the image conveniently. If you like this, I'd appreciate a thumbs up on this video to help spread the knowledge further. Your support is invaluable. Let's revisit our starting point to explore the zoom out feature with this girl character. We experimented with zooming out by 1.5 and 2. The 1.5 setting is my preferred choice because of its subtle image enlargement, as zooming out by 2 encompasses a broader area, and try to panning in every direction, but it brings some irregularities with hair and jacket. Although 3 and 4 options do control the hairs, though manual panning offers more detailed control over each segment. Keep watching as you will witness some fantastic tricks to convert your results from this to this. However, custom zooming also helps you to set the zoom, allowing for aspect ratio adjustments to your liking. Crucially, adjusting the zoom from 2 to 1 facilitates a quicker, more precise attainment of your desired ratio. Additionally, make a square button instantly square the frame, as I did through custom zooming. Let's dive into what the vary region can accomplish with these futuristic neon cars. This is essentially inpainting enables selections on the image using either the rectangle or lasso tool. Additionally, with prompt modifications made in the dialog box below, you can change hue generation entirely. Select the particular part of the car, modify prompt for any transformation, like I want to have a gold Lamborghini Huracan or navy Nissan GTR, it yielding intriguing results. Look how seamlessly it changed the whole perspective of the image. It's worth mentioning that incorporating style and chaos values can significantly alter the outcome during inpainting. For instance, the gold Lamborghini Huracans 350 and 600 have a unique flair compared to the 50. Similarly, experimenting with different chaos values from 30 or 100 can produce exciting variations. Continue watching as you will witness the latest tool they introduced in this update, so stay tuned. Likewise, you can reshape the full frame selection in the vary region. By selecting an entire canvas and rewriting whole new prompts, this technique is entirely different from inpainting. This reshapes the existing image into an entirely new perspective. Such experimentation offers a playground for creativity. Lastly, the update introduces a feedback feature accessible through the prompt box by typing /feedback. This allows users to prioritize suggestions for Midjourney's development team. Enter your true feedback in these fields. This initiative invites community engagement, shaping the platform's future direction based on collective input.